today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Guys, the most important question everyone is asking himself right now is what the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? What the heck is happening to the altcoin section right now? I want to talk about not only about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrencies in general, about my top altcoins I am holding right now and whether this movement for Bitcoin to the downside is actually a trap or not. Guys, you want to watch this video until the very end because the data I am going to share with you today is completely going to blow your mind. This is something I can tell you. Smash up the like button for that video. I mean, let me show you this, guys. It's absolutely freaking mind-blowing. I can't believe it myself. If I am going over here, our channel is completely exploding, breaking new records here on the likes, on the comments, on a daily basis. This is crazy. And now let's go into Bitcoin. I will talk not only about my predictions for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. No, I want to talk about my price targets and also what altcoins I'm holding and what price targets I am having for them. Make sure you watch this video until the very end, share this video among your friends, and now let's go straight into the content. Before I am doing so, a very big shout out to everyone here in the community. Let me show you this. The VLaunch channel is exploding. This is not only the fastest growing crypto project in the world right now, it's the most hyped one. And it is in like, I don't know, 1-2 weeks or so, we got 70,000 followers over on Telegram. It's even crazier. We have like 120,000 members actually in our Telegram group. What you can see here, VLaunch projects. I mean, look at this. The hype is real. 75,000 in the one group and the chat is completely going crazy here. And of course, we have like, I don't know, 45,000 people in the second group. The hype is real. The hype is insane. And honestly, I have never seen hype like this. So I wanted to thank you very much for that. The links to join are down below. If you're joining, of course, you are getting a hold of a free IDO allocation as well. So in the pinned comment down below, join the groups, be active, support the project, and you are going to be granted a free allocation for free. This is on a, we have to cap it someday because it's just too many people joining. So make sure you're joining fast. Now let's look at this here. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now going completely crazy. We broke down from this bearish pattern. Yesterday, I said a breakout is coming. I, however, didn't want to decide on whether to the upside or to the downside. What I can tell you for sure is that I think this breakdown, even if it's going a little bit lower, I think it's gonna be a trap. For the reason being, let me zoom in here. If I can show you here in the chart on the very bottom, you can see this is the daily candles for Bitcoin. And if I'm zooming in here a little bit, then you can see that basically, you know what? Let me go to the big one. Boom. Basically, Bitcoin after this breakdown is still supported by my huge support box. And I was telling you time and time again that this very important resistance where we got multiple rejections on our daily candles is going to turn into strong support once we are breaking it. So right now, we broke it. And right now it is holding as support. I literally can remember how people were trying to spit on me. They were laughing and spitting at the MMCrypto community. We are holding the support right now. Now the MMCrypto family is the ones laughing as long as we are not breaking it, right? So this is looking good for Bitcoin. We are just creating a big wick here on the downside. So my price target still, I am standing strong on this prediction as long as we are holding this support. My price target will remain 72 to 73,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. And if I am putting this a little bit here into perspective, this is Elrond. I want to talk about Elrond, guys. Wait for this. If I am putting this a little bit into perspective, then you can see once Bitcoin, this is the monthly candles, guys. Pay very, very close attention. The higher the time frame, the more important it gets. This touch point here is an 11 years resistance for Bitcoin. Once we are breaking that, once we are breaking $70,000 and the November close is above, I am expecting, and this is important, guys, I am expecting 10,000, maybe even 20,000, but at least a 10,000 US dollar daily candle for Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin breaks the 11 years resistance on the weekly, on the monthly, that's the moment blue skies ahead for Bitcoin, guys. This is for sure. This will be the moment when blue skies are ahead for Bitcoin and when we can basically put a nail in the coffin for the Bitcoin bears. So far, this is not as long as this is not happening. Of course, we have to remain cautious. We should maybe not jump into over highly leveraged positions. I am keeping my $7.4 million US dollar position open on Bitcoin. The $2 million position on Bybit is closed right now, but I am waiting still for the 72 to 73,000 US dollar price target to come. And obviously, guys, if I am pulling this out here on the monthly candles, I can show you that this, if we break here the monthly support resistance, if this is happening, it's not the end. It's not the last price target, because eventually I am always in every single bull market looking out for the 1.618, namely the 86,000 US dollar level, even for the 2.618, but maybe this is something for January or so, the 122,000 US dollar level for Bitcoin to come. Also, guys, big shout out for every Elrond holder. You know that I've been talking about Elrond since it was at $180, $220, $240. And this actually, sometimes I'm a little bit joking around with the people who are laughing and spitting at us. People were actually laughing and spitting at us when we were bullish on Elrond. And what you can see, ever since we were talking about Elrond in this territory, there was nothing but going up. Even in a day like this, where everything basically is red, Elrond is going up. And yes, I am not telling you tomorrow it's still up. I am telling you, I am expecting for the next few weeks to come furthermore upwards price action for Elrond. Actually, I was telling you way at $200 below that my price targets are $385 and then also almost $500. We are almost at 500 US dollars. And potentially, I am looking out for something completely different, because when you are taking Elrond, which is, by the way, right now about to go into the top 20, you can see it right here. It has a fully diluted market cap of 10 billion. Obviously, that's a lot, but not if you compare it with a peer group. Solana has a $66 billion market cap. So still, Solana is 6.6 times higher valued than Elrond. They just released a completely new staking reward program and people are rushing into it. This is why I'm holding it. You know I'm holding Elrond, and I'm not just talking about it because it's green. I'm talking about it since a few months. I was buying a few million US dollars, $2 million in spot position on Elrond. This is because I am actually still expecting this crypto market to continue to flourish, because if I am zooming a little bit out here on the daily candles, here on the, you know what, I don't know why I'm on the hourly. Let me go over to the daily. What you can see here on the crypto market cap, we just broke the resistance. The crypto market cap just got a bounce at the previous resistance here. We are about to confirm the new support. And if this one here is continuing right now, my price target actually is for the cryptocurrency market cap, 3.7 trillion. This would be another 1 trillion US dollar pump. And I was already in the last video going down here and looking at your comments. I am right now collecting your altcoin suggestions. If you keep pushing the comment section down below with your favorite altcoins, I am going to take them into consideration for future videos, because I want to make more altcoin videos. I want to make a little bit more TA on altcoins, not only talk about my favorite ones, but also identify your favorite ones and see which ones are maybe the best ones to talk about in the future, and also to give you some price targets about that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And honestly, guys, join the VLaunch family. Look at this. It's completely viral, man. People are going crazy, and I can tell you something, they are going crazy for a reason, because me and Mo, we are working here every single day on backing this project. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.